Kristen.
Bad.
We're into windstorm. It's the windstorm.
Good.
It's because of storm.
I've always been storm.
Ooh.
Just ask Chad Young. He'll know.
Chad doesn't watch these videos.
Well, if you tagged him, he might. He probably should.
I get to go to the thing tomorrow, and you get to do homework.
Yep.
You're so mad right now?
Yep.
I'm sorry, baby.
Can we move, please?
Yes, when our lease is up.
Can we move next month, please?
No, we can move in December.
Can we move next month, please? At the end?
That's still a month early, even at the end.
But it's before holidays start.
You're gonna have to suck it up, lady.
Why do you want to add to my pain? You're a mean old mongrel of mongrelness.